I absolutely love putting my face forward in front of thousands of people. I'm proud to show my face and I'm not worried about what anybody's thinking. My name is Dorothy Manini and I am a professional streamer. I didn't have a lot of friends when I was growing up because I was a little weird. I fell in love with gaming when I was pretty young. Gaming felt like such a safe space because it didn't matter what you looked like. Everything changes when you have acne.
A few breakouts going on.
Because there's always this one thing that I feel like is holding me back from being the best version of myself, and it hurts. When you've experienced so many letdowns with trying things, you kind of go in with a bare shred of hope. I was very excited when discovering Proactiv because it felt like a system I could dedicate myself to. I could let my skin adapt to this routine. I don't even know where my confidence would be now if it wasn't for the journey that I've had with Proactiv and it saving my skin. I definitely started getting into makeup more after my skin cleared. My makeup gets to really shine when there's delicious looking skin underneath. I started to really develop my public presence because I had the confidence and the bravery to put myself out there and feel comfortable with thousands of people looking at my face in HD for 3 hours. Hello, everybody. I think the fun thing about streaming is you get to create a character that you put on for people because it is entertainment. Hype in the chat, please, everybody. I feel like my job is to make people feel like they have a breath of fresh air away from their day. Alligator! I got Proactiv and I suddenly felt brave enough to face the world. Okay, let's go. Yes! Let's go!